Alright, hi everyone. So welcome to my video number 6. Now I'm going to give example how to find the tangent plane, normal plane and escalating plane given the vector position are at a certain particular points. So let's consider example. So we want to find the tangent plane, normal and escalating plane planes of a vector position vector r, which is given as cos t, sin t and t. And these are given in the previous example. At point, let's say point P is 0, 1 and pi over 2. Now let me recall how to find the equation of a plane. Let's recall how to find, if you have a plane, all right, how to find the equation of this plane. Let's call this plane M. How to find the equation of the plane. What we need first, we need a point on M, and 2, we need normal to N. Okay, we need normal to M. So these two essential information that needed in order to find the equation of the plane. Equation of plane M. This is, so we need a point P, say x naught, y naught, z naught. Okay, and we need a normal. There's a normal given as A, B, C. Okay, so the equation of M, plane M, given as, we have AX plus BY plus CZ. This is equal to A x naught plus B x naught plus C Z naught BY naught. Okay, this is the general equation of the plane. Now let's go back to the example that we are trying to find the equation of the tangent, normal and escalating plane. Find the, should be equation here. Equation. Yeah. Okay. Let's first find the equation of the tangent plane. You find the equation of the tangent plane. So what normal to the tangent plane? Which is normal to the tangent plane is normal, which is given by what? Negative cos t, negative sin t, and 0. Okay, we have solved this vector position in the previous example. So please look at the previous example. So our N is given by this, and at point P, our P is 0, 1, pi over 2. From there you can find our T is equal to pi over 2. Okay, how do you find this T equal to pi over 2? Actually, you can consider any of this point you can consider any of these points. Yeah, it's a 0 or 1 or pi over 2. But here, if you take this, you may have to consider cos t equal to 0. Then you can find t equal to pi over 2. If sin t equal to 1, then t equal to pi over 2 t. So take this, and t is equal to pi over 2. So this is very straightforward. You can get a t equal to pi over 2. So okay, so at point those things. So what happened to point? So we have a point there. So equation. So therefore, equation of the tangent plane. No, wait. N at t equal to pi over 2. This is equal to what? N t over 2 we have 0. Whereas minus 1 we have 0. So equation of a plane, equation of the tangent plane, equation of tangent plane, we have a, our a is 0, x plus b is negative 1, y, c is 0, z equal to 0 times 0 plus negative 1 times 1 plus 0 times pi over 2. So what you have? Negative y is equal to minus 1. Right? Negative 1, yeah. Negative 1. So we have y equal to 1. So this is the equation of a tangent. Equation of a tangent. Now the second is we find the equation of the normal. Equation of the normal plane. So what is the normal to the equation? Normal to that normal plane. Normal to the normal plane. Normal to the normal plane. It is tangent, right? Unit tangent. T. So t at t equal to pi over 2. T at t over 2 we have 1 over sec 2. We have minus 1. We have 0. We have 1. So therefore, equation given as minus 1 x plus 0y plus 1z equal to, or you have this thing, 2 and x naught. So we have negative 0 plus 0 1 plus 1 pi over 2. Okay, so we have negative x over sec 2 z1 0 plus z over sec 2 equal to pi over 2. Pi over 2. Should have something here, sec 2. Okay, so here we should have sec 2. So therefore we have minus x plus z equal to pi over 2. Here is sec 2. So you can write this as a z equal to x plus pi over 2. So this is the equation, the equation for the normal plane. Now next is equation for the escalating plane. Equation for the osculating plane, normal to it is normal to this plane is B, right? Normal to this plane is B. So we evaluate B at point T pi over 2. So we got this, what we got here? 1 over 2. 1, 0, 0. Okay, B. Alright, so therefore, equation, we use point P, equation at P. So we have 1 over sec 2x plus that one is 0, 1 over sec 2z equal to 1 over sec 2.0 plus 0, 0.0 plus 1 over sec 2 pi over 2. So we end up with x plus z equal to pi over 2. So you can write this as minus x plus pi over 2. You can leave either in that form or that form. There's nothing wrong with that. Okay, so I hope you can understand this. Okay, so that's all for the example. So with this, in this video, I've explained, or I give you an example for how to find the equation of the tangent plane, equation of the normal plane, equation of the escalating plane. So what's important things in finding the equation of the plane is that we need the point on the plane, which is given P. We need normal to the plane. Okay, normal to the plane is depend on what plane that we are looking for. Alright, so that's all. Thank you very much. Bye.